Second question, for what values of a and b does the following pair of linear equations have infinite number of solutions? So they have given some equations with some variable. So we need to find out for which values of a and b they will become infinite solutions. So see, these are the given equations. 2x plus 3y is equals to 7. A minus b into x plus a plus b into y equals to 3a plus b minus 2. So we need to convert them in standard form. So 2x plus by minus 7 is equals to 0. This will be a minus b into x plus a plus b into y minus of 3a plus b minus 2 equals to 0. So since they said that it has infinitely many solutions, so the ratio of a1 by a2 should be equals to b1 by b2 is equals to c1 by c2. So first write down a1 by a2 is 2 by a minus b. b1 by b2 is 3 by a plus b. c1 by c2 minus 7 by minus of 3a plus b minus 2. So here minus minus will eliminate, then we will get 7 by 3a plus b minus 2. So given lines has infinitely many solutions, so therefore a1 by a2 should be equals to b1 by b2 is equals to c1 by c2. So now consider a1 by a2 is equals to b1 by b2. If it is 1 means we can write from 1. a1 by a2 means 2 by a minus b is equals to a plus b. On cross multiplication, 2a plus 2b is equals to 3a minus 3b. So 2b plus 3b is equals to 3a minus 2a. So by this we can write now 5b is equals to a, that implies a is equals to 5b. So let it be equation 2. See, from the equation 1 we will get a1 by a2 is equals to c1 by c2. So equation 1 we have a1 by a2 is equals to b1 by b2 equals to c1 by c2. From that I am taking a1 by a2 is equals to c1 by c2. So 2 by a minus b is equals to minus 7 by minus of 3a plus b minus 2. Minus minus will get cancelled. 2 by a minus b equals to 7 by 3a plus b minus 2. So 6a plus 2b minus 4. How will get means 2 into this 3a, 2 into b, 2 into minus 2, 4. 7 into a, 7 into minus b minus 7b. On transposing all the terms to LHS side, so 6a minus 7a, 2b plus 7b minus 4. 6a, minus a, 2b plus 7b, 9b equals to 4. A means already we got 5b from equation 2. So minus 5b plus 9b is equals to 4. 4b is equals to 4. b is equals to 1. So we know that a is equals to 5b. So a is equals to 5 into 1, 5. So a comma b is equals to 5 comma 1. So if a comma b is equal to 5 comma 1, for that values of a and b, the given pair of linear equations will become coincident lines. That means there is infinite solutions. Second sub question, the given equations are 3x plus y minus 1 equals 0, 2k minus 1 into x plus k minus 1 into y minus 2k minus 1 equals to 0. Here we need to find the condition for no solution. So for which value of k, the pair of linear equations will become here parallel lines. That means no solution. So first of all, a1 by a2 will be 3 by 2k minus 1, b1 by b2 1 by k minus 1, and c1 by c2 equals to minus 1 by minus 2k minus 1. So given lines should has no solution. So therefore the condition is A1 by A2 is equals to B1 by B2 is not equals to C1 by C2. So no solution in the sense the meaning is parallel lines. For parallel lines the condition is A1 by A2 is equals to B1 by B2 is not equals to C1 by C2. So 3 by 2k minus 1 is equals to 1 by k minus 1. So 3k minus 1, consider that these two, 3k minus 3 is equals to 2k minus 1. So here consider A1 by A2 is equals to B1 by B2. So now 3k minus 2k is equals to minus 1 plus 3, k is equals to 2. So if k is equals to 2, then we will have A1 by A2 is equals to B1 by B2. So no need to check that C1 by C2, k can be any value because this ratio should not be equal here. So for k is equals to 2, the given lines has no solution. So the third question, they given some pair of linear equations. They asked to find a solution using cross multiplication method as well as substitution method. So I will find using cross multiplication method. You do the substitution method. So the given equations are 8x 5y minus 9 is equals to 0, 3x plus 2y minus 4 is equals to 0. So with the help of the diagram method, we can write easily. So first y coefficients, then constant with the y here 1, then 8, 3, 5, 2. So now x by 5 into minus 4 minus of 2 into minus 9, y by minus 27, 9 into 3, sorry, minus 9 into 3 minus of minus 4 into 8 equals to 1 by 8 into 2 minus 3 into 5. X by minus 20 plus 18, y by minus 27 plus 32, 1 by 16 minus 15, x by minus 2, y by 5, 1 by 1. So now we can write x by minus 2 is equals to 1. That implies x is equals to minus 2. Now let's write down here. X equals to minus 2. Y by 5 is equals to 1. Y is equals to 5. So that implies the solution x comma y is equals to minus 2 comma 5. So we found the solution using cross multiplication method. So up to 3 questions finished. The fourth question onwards, what problems are there? We will discuss that problems in the next class.